Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 18. Non vulcanus sibi aquam vindicavit, aut Neptunus ignem, non ceres artium peritiam, nec Minerva frugam, non arma Mercurius, nec Mars liram, non Jupiter metacinam, nec Asclepius fulmen. Facilius illud ab alio iactum suscipiet, quam ipse torquebit. Previously, in his argument against polytheism, Lactantius was saying that there cannot be competition among the gods. Vulcan has not claimed, vindicavit, for himself the water, or has Neptune claimed fire. Ceres has not, non ceres, claimed for herself the artium peritiam, skill or experience over crafts, artium, nor has Minerva claimed that for frugum, the peritium frugum, experience or skill with grains. Mercury, non arma, has not claimed weapons, and Mars, nec liram, has not claimed the lyre. Jupiter, non Jupiter, Jupiter has not claimed the field of medicine, nor has Asclepius claimed for himself fulmen, the lightning bolt. More easily, Facilius, that illud, meaning the fulmen, that thrown iactum by another person, will he tolerate or endure, meaning Asclepius. Asclepius will more readily endure that it be thrown by another person than that he himself, quam ipse, will wield it, twist it. The fulmen, or the lightning bolt, is torquere. It is twisted or sent on its way in a twisting or spiral fashion. Grammatically, this portion is really quite simple and lucid, so we won't tarry over it too long. Vulcanus, masculine singular nominative subject of vindicavit, which is perfect. Aquam is the object, and sibi the indirect object. Vulcan has not claimed the water for himself. Neptunus, masculine singular nominative, and nominative as well, are Ceres, Minerva, Mercurius, Mars, Jupiter, and Asclepius. For each one of these clauses, we would supply vindicavit, and therefore ignem is the object in this clause, peritium, the object of the next one. Peritium is implied with the genitive frugum, arma, the object of the implied vindicavit, liram, the object, metacinam, and fulmen, all very straightforward. Then we have in this portion Facilius, which is a comparative adverb, suscipiet, future indicative, as also is torquebit. These are both future indicatives. Suscipiet has as its object illud, antecedent fulmen, and illud is modified by iactum with the ablative of agency, thrown by another person, than. The comparative adverb here, or the adverb, quam, is set up by the comparative Facilius, more easily than he himself will wield it, with reference to Asclepius.